Advanced LED street lighting systems save energy and reduce carbon emissions. High-quality lighting improves the safety and enhances the comfort of driving at night, making the journey a much more pleasant and relaxing experience. Under the night sky, the landscape of the city glistens and shimmers. Taiwan is the world's leading supplier of LED streetlights. Taiwan supplies 20% of the world's LED components, and our power supply units are among the world's best. In terms of luminaire efficacy, Taiwan LEDs are the #1 performers in the world. With their stable performance, long life, high compatibility, energy saving, and carbon reduction, Taiwan LED streetlights deliver on cost performance. Taiwan possesses a complete industry supply chain. We are therefore able to provide you with the most advanced LED lighting system solutions. It's the world's most optimal LED lighting procurement platform. With its groundbreaking innovation in R&D, Taiwan is the global leader in LED street lighting technology. Our technological development is growing at an annual rate of 30%. In 2008, Taiwan was the first to set the national standard for LED streetlights. Taiwan was also the first to introduce LED streetlight comparative standards. Taiwan took the global lead in standardizing power supply specifications, offering products with preeminent compatibility. Inspection follows strict standards to ensure the most reliable units on the market. Taiwan continues to pioneer in both the manufacturing and use of LED streetlights. Taiwan authorities have been installing LED lights on our own streets and roads since 2008, which means that Taiwan now has the highest penetration rate of LED streetlights of any country in the world. More than 7 years of field testing means that our streetlights have experienced the rigors of a number of different terrains and climates. Throughout this rich experience, Taiwan's LED streetlights have withstood the stringent testing of weather in regions all around the globe. We have made massive efforts to pursue quality, to pursue innovation, and to pursue research and development, and to enthusiastically share our outstanding products and experience with the international market. We hope that through cooperation with governments around the world, we can work together to create a brilliant future for LED streetlights. Let lighting expand our vision of human habitation, change the appearance of our world, and illuminate the infinite possibilities of humanity. LED streetlights, just Taiwan.